Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to fix music on the Instagram. So if you are facing any problem related to the music on the Instagram, stay connected till the last, and if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first step is that you have to open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, simply you have to click on the update button right here. So right now my Instagram is up to date, so it's not showing right here. The second step is that you have to tap a while on the Instagram app icon, go to the info. Now you are in the settings of the Instagram. Just click on the storage and the cache, and here you have to click on the clear cache. Once you will do it, try to fix out your music related problem on the Instagram. So these are two steps you must follow. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.